Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to my channel, and in this video we are going to solve this question for x, and we have a 5 raised to the power x. This is equal to x raised to the power 625. So let's start. So in the first step we multiply exponent of this equation 1 by x. So this is a 5 raised to the power x. We multiply this exponent by 1 over x. This is equal to x raised to the power 625. We also multiply this exponent by 1 over x. In the next step, we use this identity, which is a raised to the power n. Again, power of n is a m. We write this as a raised to the power product of n and m. We apply this identity on left hand side and after that on right hand side. So the left hand side will become a 5 raised to the power x multiply 1 over x is equal to, this will become x raised to the power 625 multiply 1 over x. In the next step, this x in denominator and this x in numerator will cancel, so we just get 5 raised to the power 1, which is equal to 5. Multiply this exponent, then we get 625 over x. In the next step, we multiply exponent by 1 over 625 on both sides. So this is a 5. Multiply this by 1 over 625 in exponent, and this is a x raised to the power 625 over x. Also multiply this by 1 over 625. So this is a 5 raised to the power 1 over 625 is equal to, look at the right hand side, this 625 in denominator and this 625 and nominator will cancel. We just get x raised to the power 1 over x. So now focus on this equation. I look at this side. The base is x and in exponent we have a 1 over x. So here we want to write this base and this exponent same, and after that we use identity and find the value of x. For this, look at the left hand side. We have a 5 raised to the power 1 over 625. We multiply and divide this exponent by 5, and we copy this side, x raised to the power 1 over x. Now in the next step, we write this as a 5 raised to the power 5 multiply 1 over 5 multiply 625, and we copy this side, x raised to the power 1 over. Now in the next step, we use this identity, which is a raised to the power product of n and m. We write this as a raised to the power n, this exponent by m. We apply this identity on left hand side, then we have a 5 raised to the power 5, and then again its power is a 1 over 5 multiply 625, and this is a x raised to the power 1 over x is over. So we expand 5 raised to the power 5. This is equal to 5 raised to the power 5 is a 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 and then multiply 5. Multiply these value, then we get 3125. So 5 raised to the power 5 is equal to this one. So here we replace 5 raised to the power 5 by 3125 over, this is a 1 multiply 5 multiply 1 over 5 multiply 625, and this is a x raised to the power 1 over x. Now we multiply this 5 by 625. So multiply these two values. 5 multiply 5 is a 25. So here we write 5 and 5 2s are 10, 10 and this add 2 we get 12. So here we write 1 and this is a, so here we write 2 and 1 is carry, 5 6 are 30 and this is a 31. So this will become a 3125. So this is a 3125 raised to the power 1 over this is a 3125 is equal to x raised to the power 1 over x. Now this is the important point. So at this stage, look at this base. This is a 3125 and in exponent this is also 3125. And look at this side, this base is a x, then in exponent we have this is a x. So here we use this identity, which is a raised to the power 1 over a is equal to x raised to the power 1 over x. Then this is equal to, then this implies a is equal to x. We apply this identity on this equation. According to this identity, we have x is equal to 3125, and this is the answer of x in our question. So now we verify our answer. This is our question. We have a 5 raised to the power x and x is equal to 3125 is equal to x is a 3125 raised to the power 625. So look at this. This is a 5 raised to the power 3125. We write this as a 5 multiply 625. This is equal to this one, and this is a 3125 and its power is a 625. We write this as a 5 raised to the power 5. Then again power of this 5 is a 625 is equal to 3125 raised to the power 625. 5 raised to the power 5 is equal to 3125 and its again power is a 625, and right hand side is also a 3125 raised to the power 625. So in this case left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we have done, and in our question x is equal to 3125.